Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices were largely steady, pairing losses of more than 1% earlier in the session, as a potential peace deal between Russia and Ukraine continued to exert downward pressure. But expectations about a pause in new US tariffs fueled optimism. Wall Street's main indexes advanced after the latest producer prices data led to a lowering in inflation forecasts, while the prospect of Russia-Ukraine peace talks prompted some risk-taking among investors. US producer prices increased solidly in January, offering more evidence that inflation was picking up again. Retail investors are increasingly liquidating their Bitcoin holdings amid growing institutional outflows and geopolitical tensions worldwide. The number of Bitcoin addresses with a non-zero balance sunk below 52.45 million, which marks an over 5-month low last seen in September 2024.
The last session saw the euro rise 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 2.3%, following a 2.7% intra-session dip. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.6% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar in the coming days is rich with data releases that could impact the market. High-impact events will be especially significant, but even moderate and low-impact updates can add to the bigger picture of economic trends. These key data releases may set the stage for market movement. Investors should plan for possible volatility, ensuring strategies are adaptable and informed.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.